us to the annual Diwali debate. The Chief Justice of India weighing in on the use of green firecrackers this Diwali. The CJI is saying we will allow the bursting of green crackers this Diwali, fix the time duration, while the Supreme Court has reserved its orders on lifting the ban on green crackers in Delhi NCR while reserving his order. The CJI said for Diwali we will allow the bursting of green crackers and fixed time duration. That's what the Chief Justice of India has said while writing the order, and also saying that we will revisit the earlier judgment and incorporate suggestions given by the Solicitor General and other parties. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, who has been tracking the proceedings in the top court. Harish, a win for the Delhi government, who was pushing for the use of green firecrackers this Diwali?
Yes, that's right. Remember, the Delhi Chief Minister had moved Supreme Court saying that she wants to uphold the religious sentiments of Hindus and at least allow the green crackers during Diwali. And after 3-hour marathon hearing, while reserving orders on in the plea, Chief Justice B.R. Gawai made a very significant remark that for the time being, for 2 days Diwali, we will allow use of green crackers, but fix a time duration. At this juncture, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for Delhi NCR, vehemently urged the Chief Justice that please don't fix any time duration, because as a child we all were children. 2 hour children means 1 hour it takes for us to bring out our parents, and therefore please don't, we get only 1 hour time. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta solidly backed the government, saying that we should balance the right of people to celebrate a festival and also environmental concerns, balance tradition and also environmental concern, and also the business rights of cracker manufacturers, because at least allow the green crackers which doesn't have barium nitrate and is not hazardous. The Supreme Court, in fact, the Solicitor General said the request is only for 3 festivals: Diwali, Christmas and Guru Purab. But for the time being, the Chief Justice said that while reserving orders, that we will allow for the time being use of green crackers during Diwali, the 2 days, but will fix a timeline. The Solicitor General Tushar Mehta gave firm assurance that only crackers approved by NEERI and PESO be allowed. NEERI and PESO officials conduct surprise checks to ensure that hazardous chemicals are not used in the green crackers, and also if any green cracker unit is found to be violating the rules, it can be immediately sealed, and also immediate frequent compliance checks should be conducted. So these are the assurances given by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for the Delhi NCR, and the Supreme Court has found the prima facie merit in it, and also very significantly said that we will review the earlier judgment which had imposed the complete ban of any type of crackers, of use of any kind of crackers during Diwali. Even green crackers were banned.
Even as we speak about what the Supreme Court has said during the argument, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had spoken about the time duration bit as well. Right now, of course, the top court has said we will allow the use of green firecrackers, but you have to fix a time duration, to which the SG had said that time duration, half of it goes away in convincing the parents to come out and then, burst those crackers. What did the top court say about the time duration bit?
Yes, Chief Justice B.R. Gawai said that, in fact, he has not pronounced the orders. What happened today is, after hearing detailed arguments, the Supreme Court has reserved its judgment, but rising after reserving the judgment, the Chief Justice said that, yes, we will allow bursting of crackers during Diwali, but we will fix a timeline, because earlier also the Supreme Court judgments have said that, yes, the complete ban on crackers is not practicable. There can be some guidelines, a time fixing of time duration. So earlier also it has been done. So this time also time duration will be there. At least it is at this juncture that Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that, okay, at least for 2 days for the time being, please allow use of green crackers. Please don't fix any time duration because, in fact, the child in me is appealing to the child in you, because we all know that if only 2 hours are allowed, 1 hour is spent on bringing our, at least to try to bring our parents out with the crackers, and only we get only 1 hour to burst the crackers.
So Harish, clearly the top court, the CJI has heard the child in all of us, but clearly with some discipline is what the top court wants all of us to behave this Diwali. Harish, thanks very much for joining us and getting us all those details that went on in the top court. Moving on, viewers, Kerala High Court has said that gold in Sabrimala was tampered with. Now, the court has directed the SIT to take up the case in the incident. The court has also directed that the investigation be completed and a report be submitted within the next 6 weeks. The investigation should be kept strictly confidential. No information related to the investigation should be leaked. Now, the division bench of the High Court has also directed in an interim order that the special investigation team should submit a sealed cover directly to the court.